Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Hartford auto insurance step by step clearly. To cancel your Hartford auto insurance, begin by gathering your policy details. Locate your policy number, which can be found on your insurance card or documentation. Next, prepare any personal identification information needed for verification. Visit the Hartford website and log into your account. If you do not have an online account, consider creating one for a smoother process. Once logged in, navigate to the customer service section. Look for options related to policy management or cancellation. Alternatively, you can call Hartford's customer service directly. The number can usually be found on your policy documents or the official website. When you reach a representative, request cancellation of your auto insurance policy. Be ready to confirm your identity and provide the necessary information. Inquire if there are any early cancellation fees applicable to your policy. Ask for a confirmation number to ensure your request is processed. Once your cancellation is confirmed, review your final statements or refunds. Keep a record of all communications for your files. If you have a new insurance provider, ensure they have been informed to avoid any coverage lapses. Consider following up with Hartford after a few days to confirm the cancellation is complete. This will provide peace of mind and ensure that you are no longer liable for payments. Finally, dispose of any physical documents related to the canceled policy securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.